Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your hair washing machine is displaying the FC1 error code, the machine may stop operating normally and prevent you from completing a wash cycle. This error is commonly associated with communication or control related issues and can sometimes appear unexpectedly. Temporary power interruptions, internal glitches, or connection problems may all contribute to the FC1 code appearing on the hair washing machine. Before considering service or replacement parts, there are several troubleshooting steps you can try that may help clear the error and restore normal operation. In this video, I'll guide you through a few simple things you can do to troubleshoot the FC1 error on your hair washing machine. Try this. Step 1. Take note of the FC1 message displayed on the hair washing machine. Step 2. Disconnect the hair washing machine from the power source for a short period. Step 3. Allow the hair washing machine enough time to completely reset. Step 4. Restore power to the hair washing machine and turn it back on. Step 5. Start a fresh cycle on the hair washing machine to check if the error has cleared. Step 6. Monitor the hair washing machine and confirm whether the FC1 code returns.